I do the same thing I told you that I never would. I told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay.
So introducing, this one is our made-to-order unit. So ito yung request ng buyer natin. This one is chameleon paint, which means pag naiinitan siya or nasisinagan siya ng araw, is umiiba yung kulay niya. So like this one, from violet to nagiging blue siya. Ayan. Tapos ito din yung request niya is, ayan, this one is Euro 4. So yung kulay ng under chassis niya is kulay orange. Tapos yung rim niya is kulay gold. So creative din yung buyer natin. So, ayan. So, favorite kulay niya siguro is gold. Kasi yung interior niya is puno ng gold. So, ito is Euro 4. Ayan, 2011. Very fresh ang ating unit. Ayan, yung combination niya is beige and black. Yung seat cover. Also, ito yung plastic niya is may white, dark gray, tsaka gold. Ayan. So, yung odometer niya is 151. Ayan. So, this is not the original odometer. Kasi yung odometer is nagka-mix na siya sa Korea. So, hindi na exact yung odometer talaga ng mga unit. Tapos, nagpalagay din siya ng canopy. Wala siyang upuan. Kasi ito yung request niya. Yung canopy lang. Canopy alone. Stainless canopy. Yan. Wala din siyang chrome. Only yung chrome niya is sa front side. Pero sa back side, wala siyang chrome. So, very simple yung setup na to. Tagal. Ayan. So, yung tire niya is off-road. So, hindi siya brand new pa. Surplus siya, pero off-road. Ayan. Fresh from Korea yung tire niya. Size 15. Or 15 po yung ating tire. Naka-off-road. Ayan. As you can see, ang ganda ng chassis niya. Wala siyang cutting. Ayan. Fresh na fresh talaga yung unit natin.